How to fit roller blinds quick and easy tutorial Lick Home. Number 1. Measure the window. The first step is to measure the window. Measure the width of the window from left to right, and add a few centimeters to the measurement to ensure that the roller blind will fit properly. Number 2. Install the brackets. The next step is to install the brackets. Hold the bracket against the wall or window frame in the position you've marked, and use a drill to screw the bracket into place. Number 3. Attach the roller blind. Once the brackets are in place, it's time to attach the roller blind. Hold the roller blind so that the pin on the end of the roller fits into the bracket. Number 4. Secure the roller blind. Finally, secure the roller blind. Most roller blinds come with a safety clip or chain that should be fixed to the wall to prevent the roller blind from being pulled too far out of the brackets. Check the instructions that come with your roller blind to see how to attach the safety clip or chain.